Evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening,
Good evening.
students. Yes, good evening. Did ma'am start any new chapter?
Sir, no, sir. Me, Joanna were not there in class, sir, at all, entire day.
Yeah.
So, me and Joanna were in Kannada education, sir. So, we had to go and practice.
What, Kannada?
Kannada elocution,
Good
sir.
evening.
Okay. Yeah, good evening, Mariam. Who else in your class? Nadia, Lamila, Maria.
So, Mariana, sir. Mariana, sir. Sherlyn was absent today.
Okay, Shalin was absent.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I sent you my homework and the reader questions, sir. Did you receive it?
Sure.
Sir, even I sent
Okay.
you my homework, sir.
No, I didn't get.
So I'll resend it, sir.
Good evening.
Sir, I sent you.
Yeah, send it, DSC. I'll check.
Sir, I'll resend it again, sir. Just a second.
Okay, exercise 7.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Joanna.
Sir, even I sent you, sir.
What did you all send homework?
Sir, you
Yes,
forgot to recorrect my paper.
Oh, yes, Joanna. I forgot. I'll correct it today. After the class, I'll send.
Yes, sir.
Just a minute. Yeah, tell me, DSC.
So this Saturday we have special class.
Yes, sir. We have school, sir.
School at till what time?
So till 12, sir. 12:30.
And tuition, I have to conduct at 3 students. Three or 4.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening, Mariana. I'll be conducting at 4 o'clock. 3, if not 3, at 4.
So we have a school tomorrow, sir.
Yes, Mariana, did you ask anything?
Yes, sir. Sir, I asked that we have school tomorrow.
How will I know?
Yes, sir. We do have school, sir. We don't have holiday for Varma Lakshmi, sir.
You know, holiday, Mariana. Okay, tomorrow is festival, right? No holiday, you have school.
Sir, they are till 12:30 now.
Yeah,
So,
after
that's
after
Saturday, sir.
12:30, you can go home. Okay, tomorrow you can leave at 12:30, Mariana.
Okay.
Fine, ask your teacher after 12:30. You can go. Shall we start?
So will you give us a test on Saturday, sir?
Yeah, Saturday at 3. 3 or 4. I'll let you know, Tanishka. First, let me see how much I complete. Is Riti online?
Yes, sir.
So, the homework, sir, fifth main, third one, can you solve it, sir, once?
Yeah, I'll do it. Fifth main, third question. Riti, why were you absent yesterday?
Sir, I had Kabaddi tournament, sir.
Pretty tournament. Did you win?
Yes, sir.
Good, Riti. Against which school?
Sir said Mary, sir.
Okay, good. Fine. Open page 82 students. And were you there day before yesterday when I taught basics percentage?
Yes, sir, I was there.
Okay, we'll continue from there. Fifth main, third question 6.25 to 7.50. Did you all study about this? Chandra in 3? Not study. Get to know about that?
Sir, no, sir, I didn't, sir.
You didn't see that? Only yesterday for
So
five,
no, so I was sitting and studying for biology test. So
10 minutes. You all were excited. You all have to get to know about that, right? What about Mariana? Yesterday you asked so many questions related to Chandrayaan 3. Is Mariana online? Okay, solve this. Yes. Did you Google about Chandrayaan 3?
no, so
Okay, this fifth main students, what is asked? Find the percentage change when a number is changed from this. Okay, whether the number is increased or decreased. Adya, is the number increasing or decreasing?
Sir, increasing, sir.
Increasing. So which formula do we use? Increase percentage, right?
So increased percentage is equal to increased quantity by original quantity into 100%.
Yes. Increase quantity divided by original quantity into 100%. And Dhriti, what's the formula for percentage? How do you, I mean, not formula, how do you calculate percentage?
by 100.
Yes, any fraction value multiplied by 100%. So fraction is nothing. What is fraction? What is fraction? Numerator, numerator by denominator. Yes, it should have a numerator and denominator. You take any formula, you'll have this. Look at even this. It has a numerator and a denominator. Multiply by 100%. So for increase or decrease, this is the formula. Look at page 77. You'll have two formulas. Now try this: increased quantity divided by decreased original quantity. Okay, here you can write it directly, student. Look here, increased quantity. How do you find increased quantity? 7.5 minus
minus 6.5. So
6.25, right?
so
Yeah.
yes.
Yeah, I can write it directly like this. 6.25 divided by 6. It is increasing from 6.25 to 7.5. So the original value is 6.25. From 6.25, it's increasing. Yeah, now reduce. How much is 7.5 minus 6.25?
So 1.25.
So
Okay, into 100%. 1.25 multiplied, divided by 6.25. Okay, look here. Whenever there is decimal, Adya, what are you supposed to do? How do you remove the decimal? We
So
shift, right?
we shift, yes, sir.
Yeah. How
Equal
many
number of
places?
decimal
How many
places.
positions?
2 in the numerator and 2 in the denominator, sir.
The same action should be done in the denominator. If you're moving two positions, move same two like this. So what do you get in the numerator? 125.
125 by 625 into 100,
Yes,
sir.
into 100%. Now reduce this, you'll get the answer. 6.25, 125 into 125 divided by 625. How much is 125? How many times it goes in 625?
Sir,
Okay, you can reduce using 5 times table or 25 times table, or any of this will get reduced, students. You can take a random guess like this: 125 into 5. Try this.
20 that is 625 and 520s are is 100, sir.
Yes, you can even just try like this: 125 into 5. It goes 5 times. 125 ones are 5s. Or you can reduce using 5 times table, 25, anything. And 5 ones are, how many times 5 goes in 100? 20 times.
520 is a
Yes. So 20% is left. This percent symbol doesn't get cancelled with anything. So the answer is 20%. Increased percentage is equals to 20%. It was an easy question. Did all should have. Adia, did you try this?
so yes, sir, that original quantity and I got confused.
Okay, original is
Sir,
6,
it's
right?
okay, sir.
Something is increasing. Look, from 7th from seventh standard you got promoted to eighth. So what is the first original value? Seventh, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, the previous class was seventh. From there you got promoted to eighth. So the original value is the first one. Take this down. Next, sixth question. An auctioneer charges percent. Done with this. Shall we move on to the sixth question?
Yes.
All of you. Okay, sixth question. Okay, an auctioneer charges 8%. This question we skipped, right? Yesterday I didn't teach all this. It charges 8% for
Yes.
selling an house. And auctioneer, who is an auctioneer? Auctioneer is a mediator.
Sir,
When you're trying to sell,
who said
yes. Yes, who sells item like house, yeah, all these things. Here is selling a house. He's a mediator, one who bids. When bidding happens, okay, that guy we call them that person we call them as auctioneer. Okay, and 8% if the house is sold. So what is sold to? Is it cost price or selling price? Sold meaning
So selling price, sir.
selling price. So selling price. What is the price? Selling price. I'll write it as SP. You can write it as
2
selling
lakh
price. Okay, let me write
Two
it.
20?
lakh 30,500.
Okay, 2,30,500. Any students there? Okay, this is selling price. From this, look, you have a product. Let me take A and B. A as a product. A as a product. So what B does? B is the auctioneer. B is the auctioneer. Okay. So A has to sell it to C. A cannot sell it directly, so it takes help of B. B takes the product from A and sells it to C. So some part of work is done by B, right? In between, some part of work is done.
Yes.
Yeah, to sell a house, it's not that easy. B has to look for some person who wants to buy. Look, this is a house. A wants to sell its house. Okay, so B goes in search of person. One who's ready to buy. B goes to them and makes a deal with C. Okay, so that A's house is being sold to C. So this part of work is some part of work is done by B, and for that B takes certain amount. That what is the amount that B charges for that? What's the amount B charges?
So 2 lakh.
No, no. 2 lakh is the price which the house is sold for. Okay,
So
B's price
8%, sir.
8%. Yeah, B will
Percent.
take some commission, right? B would take some commission, 8%. What is this? 8%.
8%.
Yeah, so what B tells to is I've sold your house. I will selling your house. Your house is being sold for 2,30,000 and I need my commission. So that commission is 8%. So B's commission is, or what is given here, B's charges is given. B's charge, commission or salary, anything. Okay, B charges 8%. Fine. 8% of what, students? 8% of what? From which one will it take the profit?
From
From the
7.
selling price, right? From the selling price, it has to take the profit because the house is sold for 2 lakh 30%. So 8% of this. So B's charge is 80%. So find the charge. B charges 8% of. Okay, it takes this commission from which one? 8% of what? Selling price. So this is the statement. First find out the selling price, then B's charge is 8% of selling price. Now convert this into algebraic expression. What do you get? How do you write 8%? 8 divided by
So 800 into 2 lakh
office into, and
into
what is selling price? 2 lakh
2500.
2 lakh
500.
40,500.
So this is the total price. This is, look at, before doing it, this is 100%. Out of this, what is B's commission? Out of 100%, what's B's
So
commission?
8% of
8%.
13.
8%. That is what we have to find. So B's commission is 8% of selling price. So this is the statement you have to write. Selling price is 2 lakh 30,000 and B charges 8% of selling price.
So we have to write B charges or auctioneer charges, sir.
Sorry, that is auctioneer, right? Yeah, B I had taken for example. Auctioneer charges.
So even I wrote it as
Done,
B.
so.
Hmm. Erase it, Marian. Erase it and write it as auctioneer. Okay, we call them as auctioneer. For house, we call auctioneer. We call them as dealers. Or have you heard the word broker? Broker,
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
yeah,
Yes.
broker, yeah, middleman. These are the terms. They do their work.
So
They stand in
for,
between two people. Yes.
so for the thing ma'am told us to write as rate, so 1 minute. So for that we need to write rate of charges. So,
Okay, auctioneer charges 8%. Then rate of charge. What should you write?
so rate of charges.
Okay, rate. Rate is 8%, right? Rate of charges. Look, I've taken, look, any, you don't have to write anything on your own, student. Whatever is given from the question. Auctioneer charges how much? 8%. Okay, auctioneer. So you can directly write auctioneer charges 8% or rate of charge. What is that, Tanishka? Rate of?
So charges.
Okay, rate of charges. Charges is commission or salary, whatever it is. Okay, we don't call salary, we usually call it as commission.
So I should change it to rate of charges,
Yeah,
sir.
yeah, change it to rate of charges. And what's the rate? What is the rate? The auctioneer asks 8%.
8%.
8% of SP. First, try to understand the concept. In exam, you might not get the same question. Okay, you'll get similar question with different logic, 8% different values. Okay, so A and B. A wants to sell any item. A wants to sell to some person, some unknown person. So the middleman or the auctioneer or the broker will be in between B. So he does some part of the work, right? He does some part of the work, so he needs commission for that. Nobody does things for free. They take some part of commission and do the work. So that is known as charges, whatever he charge. So they always charge on the selling price. Once the house is sold, from there they ask the person for their rate, 8%. What's the final answer? Two
Yeah,
zeros
I
gets
got it.
cancelled.
So
There is
8
18,440.
fives are 44, 8 threes are 24. 18,240 rupees, 18,240.
it is
So
18,004.
440. So,
18,000, sorry, 240 or 440?
so 440. So,
Yes, 440. 18,440 is the answer. That's it. Seventh question we did yesterday, right? We did the seventh question
Yes,
yesterday.
sir.
Out of 800 oranges, 50 are rotten. Yeah, Dhriti, you can go through the recordings. Did I upload yesterday?
So no, sir.
Okay, yesterday, yeah, I have the record. I'll upload later. If not, I'll teach you this later. Sixth question, seventh, I'll teach you later. Okay, shall I erase this, students? Rate of charge. Remember, rate is always dependent on selling price. So 8% of selling price, that is 18,440. Okay, next question. Which one is that? Six, seven, eighth question. Assistant contains 5,000 liters of water if 6% water is leaked.
So it's the same thing, sir.
No, no, 6% water is leaked. Find out how many liters of water would be left in the cistern. Okay, cistern is basically like a reservoirs today. Reservoir, or you can just imagine tank. Okay, top of your house, do you see the tank where the water fills? Tank and a pipe. Okay, a pipe is being
Yes.
connected. Yeah, this pipe is connected to your house. Cisterns are like this. This is tank, cistern, anything. From this is pipe. From there, it gets connected to your kitchen, restroom, and other place. Wherever there is taps, it gets connected. So, what is the question here? A cistern contains what is the total value? This tank contains
So 5,000 liters.
5,000 liters. Okay, of water. If 6% of water is leaked, what do you mean by leaked? Wasted, right? There is leakage.
Wasted.
The water is being wasted. 6% is wasted. So 6% of how much water is wasted? 6% of what? 6% of how much? 5,000 liter
5,000 liters.
5,000
is
liters.
wasted. Okay, so total there is 5,000. Instead of we don't know how many liters is being wasted. Instead of giving in numbers, they've given in percentage. First, you have to find this. 6% of something is wasted. That something is 500 liters. Fine. Now we'll get back to this.
So that something is water, no, sir?
The water. Some part of water. What is the water? What is the total value? We have
5,000.
5,000 liters. So you can write cistern contains 5,000 liters of water. You can write total liter of water. What is the total liters of water? Total
5,000 liters.
5,000 liters. Or you can just write total liters. Okay, write it in your own words like this. Total liters of water 5,000. So if 6% of water is leaked, you write percentage of water leaked. What is the percentage of water leaked?
6%.
Percentage.
Yes, 6% of 6% of what? 6% of
5,000.
5,000
5,000.
liters.
So you have to find the percentage. So percentage of water leaked is 6%. 6%. Then you can write quantity of water, or you can directly write it here. 6% of 5,000.
So I solved it, so after that I'm not getting it, so.
Okay, you can write percent. Look, percentage we know, or you can write total liters, or you can just write liters, total liters of water leaked, or just write percentage of water leaked. 5,000. Did you solve this?
So yes, sir.
System contains 5,000. Okay, 5,000 liters. If 6% of water is leaked, find how many liters of water would be left. Okay, out of 5,000, 6% is being leaked. First, find that 6%. 6 divided by 100 into.
1,000. Sir, I got it as 300 liters of water.
Is it 5,000 or 50? 5,000. Yeah, reduce this. What do you get? 3,000 or 300?
300, sir.
300.
300. So this 300 is the leftover or
Sir, I
the
said 300
wasted?
only, sir.
The 300 Adi. Okay, fine, Adya.
Sir,
Okay, this 300,
Leftover resistance, sir. The leftovers.
300 is the leftover or the wasted leaked water?
So the leak to water.
Leaked. So what's the total value? What's the total value the
5,000.
cistern had? Tank had?
So
5,000.
5,000
In
liters.
5,000, what is the percentage leaked? How many liters got leaked out?
So 300, sir.
300. So what are you supposed to find here? Leaked out or leftover?
Leftover water.
Read the question properly, Mariana. Is it leftover or the leaked? Read the question. Find how many liters of water will be left. So how do you calculate the remaining liters?
So 5,000 minus 300.
Yes, 5,000 minus 300.
470.
So 5,000, yes, 5,000 liters. I think now you would get the answer, Tanishka.
So now I got it, sir.
Yes, because 300 is, do it according to the question, students. Read, look here, first line, 5,000 liters of water. That is what I've written here, total. Then 6% of water is leaked. Can you see 6% of water is leaked?
Yes, sir.
This, okay, then what is the last part of the question left? How many liters is left remaining? Yeah, so you should write total liters of water left, total liters. There is no systematic way to write it. You have to write it in your own words. Total liters of water left. Pick the words. Pick the words from the question. Yes, Lemula. Did you ask anything? 5,000 minus 300.
Yes, sir. 4,700.
Yes, 4,700 liters. Write liters. For waters, the unit is liter. For liquid. So all the words I've picked it from the question. I didn't write anything new. I've just picked from the question. This is the total quantity. From that, 6% is leaked. That is 300 liters. 300 liters. And total liters of water left is 5,000 minus 300, 4,700. A man spends 87% of salary if he saves.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Tanishka.
So can I be back in a minute?
Fine. Get back
Okay.
soon.
So I'm back, sir.
Fine, Tanishka. Done? All of you, should we move on to the next question?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this was total percent. Total, they 5,000 liter is 100%. In that 6% waste, water got leaked, got wasted. So that if you find out 6 by 100 into 5,000, you get 300 liters. So 300 liters got wasted. 4,700 is left. Okay, next question. I'll erase this. Yeah, Cherisha, read out the next question. Ninth one.
Yes, sir. A man spends 87% of his salary. If he saves rupees 325, find his salary.
Okay. Man spends 87% of his salary. If he saves rupees 325, you have to find the salary of the person. Okay, what are the keywords here, students? A man spends what? 87% of
Percentage of his salary. His salary.
salary. Okay, what do you mean by spend? What is spending? Expenditure, right?
Sir. Yes.
Expenditure. So what's salary? Just remember this concept. Salary is nothing but expenditure plus what? Expenditure plus
Savings.
savings. Good. Okay, salary. For now, you're not earning. Example, instead of salary, just keep remember it as pocket money or something. Your parents give you 100. Out of 100, you spend 70. Then what is the savings?
So 30.
40.
Yeah, you
So,
save 40, right? Yes, out of 100, they've given you pocket money. When you go out, they give you 100, you spend 70 and you save 30. So this is the concept, 70 and 30. Fine. You can even find expenditure. You have 100 with you and you have saved 40. How much did you spend?
60, sir. 60, sir.
60. Okay, so remember this concept, salary is equals to expenditure plus savings. If you have 100, you're saving 40 and your expenditure is rupees 60. Okay, in this question, what is the savings? 325, right? Savings is 325, and whatever you have as salary will always be how many percent? Salary is the total percentage, right? Salary is the total percentage. Salary is 100%. When amount is not given, remember this, salary is always 100%. In out of 100%, a man spends how much?
10 percentage.
80. So what is spent? Expenditure 87%. What's the total value we have? Salary is always
100.
100%. In that 87%, a man spends. What is the remaining? Yes. Out of 100%, he spends 87%. What's the remaining? Savings.
20,
100 minus,
325, sir.
that is in rupees, Adyan. I'm not asking in rupees, I'm asking in
So,
percentage.
yes, sir.
Simple linear equation. How do you calculate savings? 87 goes the other side, gets subtracted. 100 minus 87,
13.
13%, right? 13%. So the salary, look here, this is in the question, they have given it in rupees. Rupees is different from percentage. So total salary is 100%. In that, a man spends 87 percentage, and is left over with 13%. If not, yeah, this is the actual thing. On the other side, other concept, total max marks is 100%. Total max is 100%. If you have got 85% marks, how much you have lost? How many marks you have lost?
100 minus 85.
Yes, 100 minus 85. So total out of 100 percentage marks, You have got only 85 percentage. You have lost 15 percentage, 15% of marks. The same concept. The salary is 100%. In that, a man spends 87 and savings is 13%. So what is this 13% given in rupees?
Is 325?
325. So 13% savings is in percentage, and here they've given it in rupees. This is the
Yes.
concept. Okay, you have to find what are we supposed to find here? Find the salary.
Salary.
Okay, find the salary. Yes. So write it like this. What's the total value of salary? Let salary be how many percent?
Percentage.
100%. Let salary be 100%. Okay. After salary, what is given here? What is expenditure? Expenditure is equals to
7
87%. Then what is the savings?
rupees 325.
No, no, in percentage. This
In percentage.
salary is 100%. Expenditure is 87. Then what will be the savings?
Percentage 13.
13%. That is 100 minus 87 is. First, I'll explain. Understand the concept. If you'll have any doubts, I'll explain it again. 100 minus 87 is 13%. Or let salary be X. Expenditure is 87% of X. 13% X.
Sir, Shirley will not be able to attend her class because she's having viral fever.
Okay, fine, Lamila. Yesterday she sent message for the viral fever.
Yes, sir.
Okay, its salary be 100. Expenditure is 13%, and savings is
6.
87%. Savings is 13%. Okay, now savings percentage is 13. What is the actual savings amount?
Rupees
How much did he save?
25.
325. So in place of savings, it is 325. Rupees 325 is equals to 13%. So how did ma'am do this? Did ma'am do an X method?
So, ma'am, there is a next method.
X method. Okay, fine. I'll teach her an X method.
So, why X method? So, you're teaching this method only. So,
Okay, in this method, you have to find 13%, right? What's the total percent you have to find? Salary?
so 100. So,
100%. So before finding 100%, you have to first find 1%. So this will become a bit complicated. Even X method is tough. Divided by 13 into 100. Actually, this will give you the answer. Okay, but I'm looking for something easier. 13%, 13 divided.
So 13 will become 13 by 100, no, sir?
Yes, Mariana, 13 by 100. So savings is 13% of salary. 13 becomes 13 by 100. Okay, but there should be some variable here. If you write salary here, 325 into 100 by 13. Okay, even ninth question, I'll do it later, students. I'll make us do it later. I'll use this. Look here, you get 13%. Okay, 13%. 13% is 325. So you have to find 1%. And for that, if I teach in this method, I have to teach you a unitary method. So even that will be difficult. Okay, for now, you'll just skip this. I'll teach you all this later. We'll complete the next question, 10th question. Okay, we'll complete the 10th. Remember this concept. What is salary? Formula for expenditure plus savings. Yes, remember this, expenditure plus savings. Using this, I'll teach you all. Even X method is difficult. That would take around 7 or 8 steps, I guess, to find each and everything. We'll finish the 10th question. Okay, a number 3.625 is wrongly read. Is wrongly read as 3 point, what's the value? 3.265.
65.
Find the percentage. Yes, find the percentage error. Find percentage error. Look, a number 3.625 is wrongly read as 3.265. So what's the increase or decrease in value? Actually, the number is supposed to be 4. Okay, 4. Okay, if not, after your test, example, Mariana was absent, right, on while distributing paper, answer sheet. Okay, think Mariana scored 20, but by mistake, her friend told her that she scored 18. Is the value increased or decreased?
So decrease.
It's decreased, sir.
So this is the concept of increasing and decreasing. Okay, in that you have to find the error. So the actual marks Mariana scored is 20, but a friend told it was 18. So which is the original quantity?
So 20.
20.
20 is the original value. Yes, original marks. And what is the difference?
Uh,
2. So 2, sir.
So what, you have to use the same formula: percentage increase, percentage decrease, or percentage error. What's the percentage error?
3.26.
How do you frame? No, yeah, look here, 20 and
Error
18.
by original number.
Yes, error by, you can write your own formula. Look here, error. I've told you all the error, right? What's the error we got? Error divided by original value into.
Into 100, sir.
Okay, now Mariana has scored 20. Okay, Mariana scored 20, but her friend told her 18. What's the error? 20 minus 18
2, sir. 2
divided
by
by,
20 into
yes.
100.
Okay, divided by original value. What's the original marks Mariana scored? 20 into 100. Okay, so 2 by 20 into 100. The same concept we use here. What is the error in this? Actually, the number is 3.625. It is wrongly read as 3.265. Is it increasing or decreasing?
Decreasing, sir.
Decreasing. So we use the same formula, increase formula and or decrease formula. Instead of decrease, write percentage error. What is the error here? 3.625 minus 3.265.
265.
So
So the
0.360.
yeah, look here, students. Before doing this, here the numbers are giving, they are given it in, they have given it in decimal. Okay, to look, this will be okay 3.625 and 265. It looks confusing, right? 625 and 265. Instead of this, take your own value. This 365 you take it as 20 and this as 18, or this 365 just assume it as 20, this as 25. Is it increasing or decreasing?
Increasing.
So
Increase.
increasing, sir.
Yes. So for both it is error, right? Error doesn't mean it's increasing or decreasing. Error is the value, whether it's increasing or decreasing. It doesn't mean it is positive or negative. The meaning of error is wrong value, whether it is increasing or decreasing. Okay, which is greater, 3.625 or 3.265?
3.625.
625. Look, 3 and 3 are same. Forget about this. Start comparing the decimal numbers, 625 and 265. Which is greater? 625. So what is the error we found? 3.2625 minus
3.265.
yeah. What's the error?
So 360.
No. Reduce from this side. 5 minus 5 is 0.
Yes, sir. Uh,
Then 2 minus 6 is
6.
4. Okay, 6.
two
Very good.
six five. 360. No,
So
sir.
1.360.
So
Now,
zero
how do you
point
calculate this, students? When 2 is lesser, borrow from 5. Borrow from 6.
0. Point, so
Zero
zero
point
point
three six
three
zero.
six zero.
0.360. When value is lesser, reduce it. Okay, 0.360 is the error. What's the original value? 3.625
3 point,
done, sir.
into 100. And when decimal is given, shift the decimal, numerator and
shift the
denominator.
decimal sign.
Yeah, now calculate. So number is wrongly read. Look here, I'll write the topics
So
here.
you can remove the decimal also.
Yeah, remove the decimal, Mariana. How many positions you have to shift?
3.
3. The same 3 down. So top you get 3, numerator you get 360, denominator you get 3625.
20.
Okay, look here, students. 360 is given, and denominator. What if only two values are there? What do you do now? You move 3 positions, and even down 3
That's
positions.
add a zero, sir.
Good. This when this space is empty, add a 0. Remember that. Okay, now it is like this. I'll remove the decimals directly like this. You get 360 divided by 3625 into 100. 100%. Because error percentage is asked, percentage of error, so 100%. It is same formula for increase. Look at page 77. For increase, decrease, error percent, for everything use the same formula. What's the answer you all got? Reducing this, increase percent, decrease percent. Okay, from this, can you all derive error percentage formula? Can you all tell me the percentage, error percentage formula? Students, am I audible?
So yes.
Yes.
Yeah, what's the percentage? What is
So
the formula? Error,
So divided by
original number
error
into
divided by original
Original value
value
into 100%.
200.
into 100%. This formula is not given in textbook. Okay, according to the concept, I made you all derive this. It's not given in textbook. Understand the concept. If you understand, you can write your own formula like this: error divided by original value. And error is nothing but this minus this. The values, just minus them.
So 7.24. So
Yeah, it would take some time to calculate.
so I
Start
did
with
a
5.
mistake, sir.
How many times 5 goes? What's the mistake?
So instead of 3625, I wrote 625. So
No, 3625. The original value is this 3625. Look, if you'll want to understand, I'll write another extra 2 steps. Find percentage error. This is the question. Look here, students, stop doing it. Look here. You can write even another 2 additional steps like this. What's the original value? Original number or original value?
so 3.65.
3.625. And what's the, it is read as, what is this? Wrongly read as 3.265. Okay, original number, or you can write error number or error value is equals to 3.265, or original number or wrongly read number or something like that. You can just note it down, read number or something like this, and find the error. Error is equals to 3.625 minus 3.265. If you're getting confused, write down the values like this. Pick the value from question. Okay. Then find error percentage. For error percentage, there's no formula. According to concept, you derive the formula. Percentage error. It is similar to increase percentage and decrease. Okay. Error divided by original number or original quantity value, anything, into 100%.
Divided by 3625 into 100 percentage.
Yes. So when you reduce 3.625, what's the value we got? What's the error?
60.
No, error.
3.265.
360, sir.
360 divided by 3625. After
3625.
removing the decimals, 360 divided by 3625 into 100. Okay, use 5 times table. 5 sevens are 35.
So 725 and
725.
72, sir.
And numerator 72 times.
72.
Then again, 5. Calculate 5 with this.
So 145 and 20, sir.
145 by 20. Okay, I'll just write 72 divided by 725 into 100. Then 5 into 145, 5 into 20. I think you get it in decimals, right?
So yes, sir, I got the answer.
Okay, then multiply this. 72 into 20. How much is 72 into 20?
So 1440.
Okay, 72 into 2 is 144. 1440. Okay, 1440. Evaluate this. 1440 divided by 145. You'll get it in decimals, and that is your answer. 1440. Does 145 go in 144 times a value? It is greater, right? So start multiplying, students. 145 into 9 or 145 into 8. Let me check the answer. 7. 7, 8, 10th main first question.
Sir, I got it as 9.931. It
Okay,
keeps on going,
145
sir.
into 9. Multiply 145 into 9. 9 5s are 45. 9 4s are 36. 40.
Sir, mine is not ending at all.
What are you getting, Mariana? Did you get 1305? 145 into 9?
No, sir.
So it means when we divide it, it's not even ending, sir. It means it's going on,
No,
sir.
no, you
It's
have
Yes.
not
to end it.
divided.
No, this is in
Sir,
percentage, right? So keep 2 decimal points, 2 or 1 decimal point. Let me do it. Dhriti, when did you leave, Dhriti?
93.
Okay, fine. Okay, how many times 145 goes 145 into 9? What did you all get?
So
so
1,395.
10,960.
1000?
I did a mistake, sir.
1305, sir.
Okay, 1305.
Yes.
What's the remainder? 135?
35. Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
135.
125, sir.
Then keep a point, add a zero. Then how many times? 145. It goes in 9 times. 1000,
305.
1305. Then reduce it, you get 45, right? Remainder 45. There's already a point here. Can I keep add a zero?
So yes, sir.
Yeah, then 145, how many times it goes? 145 into
Into 3, sir.
3,
3
sir.
times. 3 5s are 15, 3 4s are 12, 13. 3 1s are 3, 3. 435. So it never ends, right? It goes on. We call it as recurring decimal. It keeps on increasing the value. So you can stop it here. In textbook, this is the answer, 9.93%. Okay, you can write 9.93 or you can write even 9.9%. Even that is fine. What's the final answer? 9 point
93 percentage.
90%, sir.
9.93%. Okay. It would never end. It keeps on going. You have to add zero and have to keep doing it. How many decimal places do we have here?
So 2, sir.
2.
So this is, we have rounded off to two decimal numbers. Any question, this is the maximum. Because how many paise do we have? After 100, how many paise? 99 paise, right?
Yes, sir.
So that's the reason two places, two decimal places. 9.93% is the error.
So, but there are 3 decimal places in the question, right, sir?
In which one?
So in the question, sir.
No, that doesn't depend, Tanishka. If
So,
you want, yeah, if you want, you do it. If there is three, when you do it for three. Okay, 3.625. Okay, I gave example for rupees. 99 paise, you can do it for 3, 4. Will you try the next one for homework? 10th main second question.
Yes, sir.
That those numbers are a bit difficult, right? To check 5.78 into 10 to the power of 3.
Can I do it
so
also?
can you solve it, sir?
Huh?
So
Everything I
please,
sell.
I didn't understand, sir, when ma'am did this.
Okay, 5.73 into 10 to the power of 3 is given. Okay, the
Sir,
class will
what
end.
is the
I'll do one
use?
thing. Yeah, I'll end the meeting, rejoin. No break today. Okay, we started late. Rejoin, students. I'll tell you all. Rejoin. Yes, can you all see the screen? All of you all the students online.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yeah, this formula is important. Just make a note of this. Percentage error is equals to error divided by original number or value anything into 100%. Okay, calculate this later. If you haven't got 9.93, divide later.
Sir, this one
Okay,
is not there in the textbook, no, sir.
it's not there. This is from your textbook, right? 10th main.
Sir, not the formula, sir.
No, Mariana. Formula. Let me check. Error percentage. So percentage error is not given. Not in 77, 78. Okay, check 79, students. You'll have it in 79. Open page 79.
Yes, sir.
Okay, there is one question, error question here, similar to that.
For
Look, you can even
example,
yeah, example 3. If you have any doubts, you can even refer example 3, that question. Okay, for homework, just go through this example 3 question. Can you see the formula? They've given the formula there, percentage error.
yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah, same formula, error divided by original number into 100%. Okay, for homework, at least practice the question. They have given question and answer both. Okay, for homework, practice the example third question. 4 is wrongly read as 4.48. Error divided by original number. Will you practice that for homework? Third example, third three.
Sir.
Okay,
Yes,
this
sir.
question, yeah, this formula. Make a note of this formula. They haven't given it in 77. They have given it here. Error percentage is equals to error divided by original number into 100. Actually, there are so many questions. Did ma'am skip any question, or do you have all 20?
All 20 questions are there.
So we have
And
all the
exercise
20.
7B and 7C is only fully cancelled.
Cancel. Okay, I made a mistake. I should have started percentage. We should have done some other.
So leave it in the middle and do it in the uh, do it
No, if I
two
skip
or three days.
20 questions, there are 20 questions, and each and every word problem is different. Okay, see, today almost 1 hour. How many questions? We were able to solve only 3 questions. Okay, factorization is cancelled. Do you have identities?
Instead of factorization only, we are having rational numbers. So identities we
Yeah,
have.
yeah, factorization is cancelled. Identities, do you have identities?
Yes, sir, we are having it.
So yes, so there's
Yes,
no
we
change in that. So
Okay, I should have started identities, but I don't know how many questions you'll have and cancel square, square roots, cube, sets. Yeah, I could have started sets. Fine, we'll see students. Tomorrow, yeah, how much ever possible. Tomorrow we'll solve 3 or 4 questions. Remaining we'll skip. I'll do it later. We'll start sets from next week.
Excuse me, sir.
okay, so
Yes.
Shall I tell you what are the questions cancelled in sets, sir?
It's I tomorrow you let me know tomorrow. Lemula. I'll ask you tomorrow or on Friday. Sorry, on Saturday. Okay, when we start sets, I'll ask you that. Percent and percentage, there are so many questions. You can't ask your teacher to reduce the questions.
we asked her, mom was like, we have cancelled 2 exercises. Imagine we cancelled so much.
To exercise. But
She's
still,
telling that we'll add that and we'll cancel this exercise. So
okay, then no, that is even more difficult. 7B and 7C, even that is very difficult. Instead of that, this is fine, but 20 questions, all are different. Okay, we'll finish this. Where is the? Is Joanna still the class monitor leader?
so
no, sir.
Akifa became the vice leader, so
Who?
Akifa, so
So the
Akifa?
girl
I
who
have
keeps
a
talking in
doubt.
tuitions and Eduraj just tuition who's super annoying. So
Yeah,
that's
yeah, I
why.
know, I know. She
So
became the
she's
leader.
so annoying and she became the vice leader. So this whole week is going to be a big headache for us. So.
Sir, how Tanishka knows, sir?
For next 1 week.
so she came and she told me so. She's like,
There,
I became the class leader. She came and she was telling so.
yeah, both are best
Sir,
friends, right?
not a vice leader. My
So
role.
no, sir. She came and she just wanted to show herself that she was the vice leader of the other class. So
Right.
Went to jail of movies, sir.
Yes, Lemila.
Went to jail of movies, sir.
Jailer. Yeah, I watched it. How was it? How many of you watched
so
Jailer?
how was the movie?
Yesterday only I went, sir. That's the reason I had to log out,
Oh,
sir.
that's the reason you told you have to study.
And I'll have to study, sir.
Okay,
I
went to
told I'm
jail.
going out, sir.
Okay, story was average, but Rajini's acting was good. How many of you and Mariana went, I guess? How many of
So
you went?
I went, sir. I went
Sir, I went, sir.
Thursday evening show, sir.
First day
Yeah, I
evening show.
went. I didn't understand anything, so I don't know Malayalam and all, sir.
Sir,
I
I
want to.
understood, sir, and I love the movies, sir. I love those kind of movies.
The acting was good, right?
Sir,
It
No,
was good.
I won't.
Sir,
this
and
was
the
the
different
second time,
scene where
sir.
the actors and all pop up like Shivraj Kumar and all, that is very nice, sir.
Yeah, very good. Yeah, acting was good. That's the reason Saturday many of them were absent,
Yes, sir.
going for movies.
I went long back. I went on Independence Day.
Independence, yes.
So even
Dhriti,
I went long.
long work. Dhriti, you went yesterday or kabaddi match? Which is true.
I was out of station, sir.
Out of station, didn't watch. It was good, students. Acting was good.
Yesterday
Movie,
was the second show.
it collected around 500 crores, right? But it has 500. Okay, this question will end this question. I mean, we'll finish this. 5.78 into 10.3. What is 10.3? Can you tell me what is 10.3?
So 10 to the power of 3.
Sorry, 10 to the power of 3. What do
So
you mean by 10 to
1000,
the power
sir.
of 3? How many times it's multiplied?
Three times, sir.
3 times.
Three
So
times.
can I write it like 1000?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
when I multiply, what do I get? 5.78 into 1000. How many times the decimal gets shifted when you multiply? You all forgot. For multiplication, which side do we shift the
So
decimal?
right hand side, sir, we
Right
get
hand
5780.
78. Look here. There are three zeros. Look here, students. 5.2 multiplied by 10. What do you get for this? 5.2 into 10. For multiplication, we shift right hand side. The answer is 52. Okay. The same way, when you multiply 1000, the right hand side, how many positions, how many zeros do we have here? Three zeros. Right? So three places, 1, 2, and 3. This place is empty, you add a 0. So what do you get when you multiply 5078 into 1000? Sorry, 5.78 into 1000? 5780.
5007.
Okay, so instead of this number, instead of this, 5780. So what should I get for this?
So 5870. So
5.87 multiplied by 1000. 10 to the power of 3 is nothing but 1000.
Five
And
thousand
multiply
eight
this,
hundred and seventy.
70. Now, isn't it easy to solve? Instead of having it like this, 5780 and 5870. What's the error? Which is greater, 5780 or 5870? Which is greater?
5870.
Yes. Find the error first. 5870 minus 5780.
so 90. So
90. What's the original value?
so
5070.
Yeah,
5780.
that's it. 5780. 90 divided by 5780 into 100%. Look, these values, you'll add it in decimal. I think second chapter, exponents. Make use of exponent chapter, multiply exponents plus decimal chapter. They have combined both and given this value. Convert into normal integers. So 90 divided by error percentage. Yes, error percentage is equals to 90 divided by
5780 into 100.
into 100. 100%.
So I'm not getting the answer.
Reduce 0 and 0 gets reduced, right?
So yes, sir.
If you're not able to cancel 3, let me check in 3 times table. 5 plus 7, 15, 50. No, it won't get reduced in 3 or 9.
So in
Multiply
2
900.
like
900 divided by 587, 578. 900. Look here. 9 divided by 5870 into 100, right? 0 and 0 gets cancelled. What is remaining? 900 divided by
Divided by 587.
587. 1 point something in that range you get. 900 divided by 1.8 or 1.7. 587 ones is 587. Convert, find the final answer. 78 tenth main second first. And for midterm, you all might get easy questions from percentage. For final exam, it will be difficult.
so why 587? So
0 and 0 gets cancelled, right? From 90
That's
and
578, right?
what's the original value?
So
Sorry, 578.
578.
Yeah, 578. This is the original value, students, the first one. So 578. 5. Last question after this.
So I'm not getting. So I'm not getting 6. So I'm getting 5. So.
What 5?
So I checked the answer in the textbook. So, which question? So it's given us 1.56%. So I'm getting 1.557 something. So.
Yeah, last class I taught you in last chapter, round it off, right? How do you round off when the third number is greater, more than 5? You remember that?
So I put
900. Okay, 900, 578. Ones are 578. What's the remainder, students? Quickly. It's 645. Tell me the remainder.
so 800 and so not 800. So.
So 330.
It's 578, Mariana. Nobody is calculating, just looking at the
So
direct answer.
so 302.
300 and
So
22.
22.
578 is greater. Yeah, I know. Nobody would have solved. Just
So
looking
I
at the
took that 587, sir.
take 578, Mariana. Okay, I made a mistake. Original number is 578. Okay, 3220. Sorry, 322 is lesser than 578. Keep a point, add a 0. How many times 578 goes? Multiply 5 times, you'll get a value. Calculate this, students. At least this you'll try it for, do it for homework. You'll get 1.57, 567 or 557, something like this.
So but it's 1.56. So I'm not getting 1.56. So.
Okay, what did you get, Tanishka?
So I'm getting 1.55. So.
2890, sir.
Okay, okay, fine. 1.55 what next? 1.55?
So after that I didn't do so. So
Okay, 1.55. You do it, you'll get 1.557 or 8. When the third number is greater than 5, the previous number you have to increase by 1. 1.56.
7 0.
Okay, if not, look here, I'll tell you one thing. Forget about this. You can just write 1.5%. Even this is fine.
So okay, so I'll write 1.5.
1.5 is correct. Or if you're getting 1.55, write 1.55%. Even that is correct. Point variations, you'll get marks. Okay, for point, you will get point
So
variations, they
okay.
won't reduce. You'll get marks. Fine. Yeah, that's it. That's it for today, students. I'll end the recording.